Hey everyone. So we just wanted to put out a video and show everybody what we've been doing in the off seasons. We haven't really had any pods to eat and winter time's tough. We do live in New Hampshire. It gets pretty cold here all winter, so we found a way to keep ourselves occupied and hopefully give us an opportunity to have some peppers year round. Follow me. So over the winter, we purchased this Vivosun grow tent. It was a complete kit, uh, and we decided also that we wanted to grow things hydroponically. So it's very new for us. We've never grown peppers, just maybe bought a couple and put them out in the yard, but this is our new project. So as far as the tent goes, it was very easy to set up. Everything, like I said, came in a kit. It came from Vivosun. Basically, you just had to set it up and plug it in. So if you take a look inside, we do have 7 different plants growing in here right now. So the 3 here are all red warthog plants. These 3 here are Dorset Nagas, and this one here is an apocalypse scorpion. It's been a challenge. We definitely have had some issues with different things as far as feeding schedules, what to use for food. And I think we finally are starting to figure it out a little bit. The plants started growing like crazy once we cut back on the nutrients and we changed a little bit up with the nutrients. We have run into maybe a little bit of an issue with spider mites on this plant here. You can see it's very thinned out, but it looks like we hopefully might have gotten it under control. So this here you can see we have some warthogs growing. On all of these plants here. And on the Dorset Nagas, we're finally starting to get some buds coming up. So hopefully we get to try some of those pretty soon. And the most impressive plant so far is definitely the apocalypse scorpions, where we have a bunch of peppers coming up on this, and they're all, they're pretty good sized peppers. So we're excited about it. We figured we'd give everybody a little view of what we've been working on. And hopefully soon we'll get to eat some peppers for you. Till next time, have a good night.